Hello there, my viewers. Today I want us to learn something different. I want us to learn on how to assemble the Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cubes it's a four-sided cube, and it has different colors. And you start by doing a cross in every side. After finishing a cross, for instance, the cross of green side, you try to check the other pieces. You check the correct one for the green, and when you get it, you put it very easily. At the beginning it's very easy to put it together. Check, it's already, the green side is now complete with a cross. Then you go to the other side, the red side, or let's start with the yellow side. With the red side, you'll check the other red, the other red. When you get, you fit it. A red, yellow. No, let's start by yellow. We want to make a cross, a yellow cross, yeah. This is now the final piece to make a cross. Oh, yes, this is now the cross. The yellow side, it's already okay. Now I've solved the green and the yellow. Then I come to blue. Okay, blue. The blue side. Yeah, wow, it's almost done. The other blue to make it to make the cross. Yes, to make the cross complete. Oop. You can push a bit so that it can fit. Already the blue now it's solved. The blue is solved. Now I've solved the green, yellow and the blue. Let's check the orange side. The orange side requires just one, and the cross is okay. Yes, see, the yellow side, we need just one to solve the red and the yellow. Wow, our cube is now almost complete. It has 4 sides with the cross. Remember, it has 4 sides: the green, yellow, red, orange, white, yellow, blue, red, yellow, green, white, and orange. Yes, now the corners. We can now check the corners. We check the corners. at the corner for yellow, blue, and at blue it's okay now. The green, the corner for green, the corner for green, the corner for blue, yellow and red, the corner for blue, yellow. You push a bit down so that it can fit easily. Yeah, it is okay. It is okay. Almost done now. Almost done. Check blue. No, we check yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Good. We are done with the 2 layers now. The top layer for white, red, green, the corner for the white. Yeah, it has fitted. The other one for red, red. Wow. Just the last and the final one. No, two. We are almost done. Yes, we are almost done. This is green, red, green, red, white, the corner. Oh yes, wow. And finally the last. It's a bit hard to fit the last one. You need to be careful so that it may not break. Yeah, you push, you try, push, and finally it has fit now. Wow. Here is our cube. Here is our Rubik's cube. White, red, yellow, red, green is opposite blue. Then white, the opposite is yellow. Yeah, yellow. Then blue and green, red and orange. Our cube is okay. That's our Rubik cube. Thank you for watching. In the next lesson, we are going to learn on how to solve the cubic. Thank you very much.